Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, phone and Ertiga head unit. Plug a high-quality USB cable into the car's USB port. Make sure the phone screen is unlocked. On your phone, enable Android Auto in connected devices and allow permissions for contacts and location when prompted. Once done, the head unit should detect the phone, accept prompts on the car display. If you see a welcome screen, tap to continue, because this handshake is how audio, navigation, and apps are granted control. Once connected, you must pair and configure. On the car screen, choose Android Auto as the projection app and confirm pairing. Then on your phone, grant microphone and notification access so voice and calls work. Next, open Android Auto settings and select preferred navigation app and media defaults. Make sure Do Not Disturb Driving is set how you want it. These choices dictate behavior. So set navigation voice volume and media playback defaults before you start driving. Finish by testing core functions. Start navigation, play audio, and use voice commands via the steering wheel button so you confirm everything works. If something fails, unplug and replug the USB cable, then toggle Android Auto on the phone. Make sure Bluetooth is not conflicting. Turn Bluetooth off briefly if calls fail. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, restart your phone, check for system updates on both devices, and swap to a known good certified cable. This resolves most connection faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.